Beautiful morning here. You brought it back. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Yep, give it to mommy and I'll throw it. Drop it. Drop it. Ready? Getting ready for pancakes. Pancakes. Say good morning.
Good morning. Do we have the syrup for it?
Yeah, we got the syrup for it. We got everything we need. You gonna throw it? Whoa, look at you go. Oh, hear the woodpecker?
Yeah.
There's a woodpecker out today.
Hi.
Hi, Elijah.
Hi. Wait, Mama, I got you on a spider.
A spider, my pet spider, Francis. The dog ate him.
Let's go.
There's the griddle cooking the pancakes. Oh my goodness. Well, you popped up real close. Good morning, Melanie.
I don't like being on video.
Cheerful as always.
I like being on video.
We're sitting out back on our swing. This is the canopy to it. It's a little double swing. It's cool. I like the outback. Lots of woods. And we got some little torches to light to keep the mosquitoes away. There. Oh, it's behind her. I was like, where did it go?
Where'd what go?
Did you get it? Did you get it? You took its head off. You took its head off.
I'll go in and take
Go get it.
Are the game Saturday nights?
It's over there. It's over there, bud. It's over there.
Where?
Did you lose it? Got some flower beds here. My husband put his hammock over this one. There's one over here. There's some plants coming up here, but I don't know what they are because we've never been here before. These ones. Does anybody know what these are? I'm not sure. But I think they're whatever these dead ones are from last year. Got little trees in here too. We're going to clean these out and plant them with some flowers. And that's our picnic table. It's so peaceful here. A couple of chipmunks ran through there earlier and a squirrel. We're hearing all kinds of birds, raccoons. We had the coyotes the other night. We've heard a lot of turkeys and I just don't want to go home today, but we got to go to Walmart today, so we have to head home for a little bit, take the dog home and run some errands.